Now, one of the things is all the cameras we've just gone through, some of them have an N series model, which means they support NDI. So let's bring this whole screen up, and could you first decode what the E, N's, and R's mean when you see it in a product, and then we'll go into some of the NDI HX that you guys support.
Yeah, absolutely. So when you look at a Panasonic PTZ camera, you can navigate the lineup just by looking at the model numbers. So when you see something that says, like, for example, HE40, right? HE40H is a good example, right? So if it's not an N, then it doesn't have NDI already preloaded on it. Still the same camera, but the HE does not have the NDI loaded on it. The HN does have NDI loaded on it. And a 40H is the one with HDMI, and a 40S is the one with SDI. And then if you get an HN40SW, that means you have an HE40 with NDI built in with SDI, and the W just means that it's white. And then if you put the K at the end, it means that you get the black unit.
Yeah, now, one of the things I want to talk about is if you already own a camera that you see has an N flavor available, you can go to Videoguys or the New Tech website. You can download or purchase the NDI HX firmware upgrade. It's $300. It's a great little deal over there. Now,